What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do an Amazon bougie on a budget type of video. I did not open none of these packages, so I can show you guys exactly what I got from Amazon. Now, we have some dupes from Louis Vuitton to Chloe to Chanel, and I got some other stuff too, but I can't remember what is the designer name. But let's go ahead and open this package. I don't know what this one is. So oh, okay. These are so freaking cute. When I seen these on Amazon, I was like, yes, I have to get this for my video. So this right here, these are some pearl headbands. You get 3 for $14.95. So that's basically, I think, like $4 a piece. I like that they have them wrapped like this, so I can just put them right back in there. But these are super cute. I see these in TJ Maxx, but they wanted $7 for just one of them, and I was like, I can't do it. These are so freaking cute. So I have this one in a, this is like a nude pink. These are so cute, you guys. I can't wait to do like my hair back and put my headband over it. This is definitely, yes, this is gonna be a look. I like it already. It's gonna be a look. I can't show y'all my hair because it's like bad hair day, but I'm gonna leave this on in the video like this so y'all won't see my hair because I'm just that extra. But anyway, I have also this nude color. This is so cute as well. I don't really know how this would look on my skin tone, so ooh, look, my hair just a mess. Yeah, I definitely like the pink better on my skin tone. And then lastly, we have the black with the pearls. Y'all, these pearls are so cute. I think this is so pretty. Yeah, I definitely love the pink for sure. Like, the pink is definitely my color. So, whoop, put that right back down because yeah, I gotta get this head right soon. So next, come on, let's open something else. I think this is the Louis Vuitton dupe wallet. And it is, I had to decline a call. Next, I was iffy about getting this because I was like, I don't know if I would like it, but it was only $3.99, you guys. $3.99 for a wallet, and plus it was free shipping. So this is what it looks like. That's really cute. Hold on. What? This is cute. I didn't think I was gonna like it, you guys, but this is really, really nice. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I like this. But I thought that this right here was like a pocket for your coins. But I see I was wrong. I thought it was like a little zipper pocket there. I'm gonna keep this because this is, I really need another wallet, and this has a little bit more space than my other wallet. But I definitely like this. The only thing is, like, when you have coins in here, I mean, don't get me wrong, this is like a little coin purse right here, but I wonder if my coins are gonna fall out, you know, like if it falls upside down in my purse or something. It probably will. It's okay. That is cute, you guys. $3.99 for a Louis Vuitton dupe. That's awesome. So next I want to show you guys this item that I ended up getting from Aliexpress. This was $10 from Aliexpress, and I am going to put the link down to all of these items in my video in the description box down below. This is a Chanel mirror. It took a while to get here. It took about 4 weeks to get here, but it was definitely worth the trip. It was very well covered, and this is the mirror right here. But you guys, I like this. This is totally cute. And I still keep it in the box because I don't want to get any scratches on it or anything. But that was a really good price for $10, and it's so cute. I use it in every makeup video that I do. It's really convenient. I love it, and it's really heavy, so the quality is definitely there. Y'all, I got all this mess. So next, I ended up getting this big box here. I'm super excited to see what's inside. Oops. Okay. Oh, okay. I got 2 items in this box. Okay. I'm gonna start with the small box first. So this is basically a Gucci. Why's the belt so thin? And then one of the little pearls missing. Okay. I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all. Like, where's the little pearl? Like, they knew the pearl was missing when they sent it. That's probably why it was on sale. And then it got the little GG right there. Are you serious? This would have been so cute. Hold on, y'all. Let me see what this belt is looking like. Y'all, this is cute. I really like this. The only thing is that, y'all see that? Let me take it out. Cause I can't even see it really good. But I'm sending this back. So first of all, it doesn't say Gucci on here or anything, but it do have 2 G's. Y'all gonna have to, it does have 2 G's on there. Trying to see if the camera will catch it. It's right here. Y'all, this belt is really cute, and I mainly bought it because I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but it's not. It's actually really small, and I don't like it. And then the pearl is missing. Like, that's what I don't understand. Like, I don't even know where the pearl is at. Like, it's not even in here, even if I wanted to glue it back on. But anyway, you guys, this belt was only $10, and it's really cute. I love the design on there. The design is really nice. I bought it mainly because of the bee on here, and I thought it was just so cute to pair with like a blazer, and I put the belt around the blazer. I thought that was gonna be so pretty. But this is definitely gonna have to get nailed back because I'm missing a pearl. And they should have known that, you know, whoever packed this should have noticed that the pearl was missing. So of course I was gonna send it back. But it's okay. I gotta get that together. But lastly, you guys, and this is like my favorite item of the haul. I was super excited about this, and hopefully I'm satisfied with it. So let's open it. Y'all probably already know, like, y'all probably already know. Like, is it a bag? It's a bag. I think I opened it upside down. Oh, it's very nicely wrapped. I like that. Like, they took care in shipping my items instead of just sending me a belt without a pearl. Yay. So this comes with a little dust bag. Will I use this? Probably not. Okay. You guys, this is cute. This is cute. This is really, really cute. It's a gray color. Hold on, it's not really catching it. It's a gray Chloe bag. Like, this is so pretty. Okay, let me see my straps coming together, girl. This is so cute, you guys. I love this bag already. I'm gonna take this wrap off of here. Oh, that is cute. So the clasp is silver and the chain is gold. That's unique. That's cute. I'm liking this, y'all. I really am. If I can get this little plastic off the bag, it'll look real cute for real. Now you guys, this bag right here was the best bag I've seen on Amazon. The reason why I say that is because the quality was definitely there. It was a lot of good reviews on this purse. And a lot of people ended up getting this color. This is cute. Oh yes, let me put, y'all, I'm about to style this bag for y'all. So let me go ahead and put the straps on, you guys. Okay, guys, so I put all the straps on the bag. And you guys, this purse is breathtaking. I love this so much. The only thing I don't like is that the straps came a little wrinkled, as y'all can see. It's a little bent and everything. But other than that, you could wear this like over the shoulder. Y'all, let me show y'all because I know I look a hot mess. But you can wear this like over the shoulder. And I like that because you can either do that or it can be a little book bag. That is so cute. On top of that, you can adjust the straps as well. You can adjust the straps on here. And I was gonna do that too, but I didn't want my camera to like black out because I wasn't doing anything. But this is really cute. I absolutely love this purse. And y'all, look at the inside of it. First of all, look at the outside real quick. And let me take y'all to the inside. Now the inside is so pretty. Like, it's like a suede material in the inside. For $30, you guys, this is not a bad buy. Like, this is a really good purchase. I absolutely love this bag. Definitely a neutral color to wear with anything. I got this bag mainly because I have a lab and we have to go outside every Thursday for 2 hours observing birds and nature, and this would really come in handy for me. I think that this is so cute. Instead of like carrying my book bag or carrying my purse and my binoculars and my camera, so I can just throw all of that in here and it'd be really good. I love this purse. It's really big. It's bigger than what I thought. And also another good thing about it as well is that your bag has some stretch to it. So that's good too. This is definitely a good travel bag. You can pack a lot of stuff in here, especially if you're going on a trip and you're going on a flight. This bag would be great for you, and it's so sturdy. I mean, it's no dents in this bag or anything. They packed it so well, and this is basically my favorite. So these two are definitely something that I really, really love from this haul. Something that's definitely gonna get a lot of use out of, and I love it. Now, as far as the headbands, I love the headbands, but the black and the nude color isn't for me, so I might just sell them. And then this belt, you guys, I really wish the band right here was a little wider, and then my B came in good condition instead of a pearl falling out, which is really sad. It's really sad. But anyway, you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you would like to see more bougie on a budget Amazon hauls. Then y'all let me know. I love you guys so much, and all of the links will be in the description box down below. Mwah!